We are going to reveal the vocabulary first and two paragraphs. Qizil demana nima bilan sariq bilan o'qiganman. So first of all, with the grain. Grain, what is the meaning of grain? The driver can unload the grain and when necessary. Eliot. Oxford. Oxford. Grain means the small hard seeds of fruit plants such as sweet brassica seed. Present something in tons of grain. Hard seeds. Seed urug'ida. Kichkina qattiq urug' of fruit plants. Dawn. Grain. Grain is small hard dry. Grain dawn g'alla. Grain is small hard seeds. Small hard seeds. American grain. Brazil. Brazil sold 2,212 million tons of grain abroad last year. Chet elga 12 million tonna g'alla sotibdi Braziliya. Brazil sold however qanday ekan endi unload bu bo'shatmoq bo'lishi kerak. Bugungi darsimiz vocabulary bo'lgan vocabularyga to'xtalamiz. Albatta ishlatilishini ham ko'rsak yomon bo'lmas. To remove things from a local nimadan local ya'ni nima deydi mashinadan narsalarni olib tashlamoq. Bu yerda ko'rsa bo'ladi. Unload grains. Rasmlar bor. Together. Mana shu unload the grain ekan. Bu mashinani bo'shatadi. Hop. Implements bu tools bo'lishi kerak. Implements. Implement to make something that has been officially decided to start to happen or to be used. Oh, interesting. Implement. Verb. A tool or instrument. A tool or instrument. Make sure that all sharp implements such as scythe have covers. Implements. Cambridge. kirib beramiz. Implements. Sorry about that. So, ovoz menimcha yaxshi. Xonada hech kim qolmadi. Yana bemalol video yozamiz. So, implements tool deb aytdik. Nima bosmadik. Mana. Implement o'zi. Verb garden tool implements bo'lishi mumkin, household implements yoki agricultural implements bo'lishi mumkin ekan. Ya'ni yonida kelgan so'zlar. Shopkeepers are not supposed to sell knives and other sharp implements. Mashina olsak bo'ladi. Shopkeepers are not supposed to sell knives and other sharp implements to children. Shopkeeper sotuvchi. Sotuvchiga ruxsat berilmabdi. Pichoq va boshqa tig'li narsalarni bolalarga sotishga. Bu misol bo'ladimi? Keyingisi. Self steering. Bizga tushunmaydi chunki o'tgan safar ham topolmagan edik. ChatGPT meaning of this programs. Self steering means what? Self steering is phrase self-steering meaning able to guide or control itself without help. O'zi moves or decide direction on its own. O'zi boshqara oladi. And many are self-steering. O'zini o'zi boshqara oladigan deyapti. Self-steering. Kettingni bosib turib katta belgisini bossak, qisqacha bo'lib qoladi. Hop, self-steering able to guide moves or decides sorry. So I come back. Self-steering moves or decides on its own bo'lishi kerak. On its own. Direction on its own. Many are self-steering. Robots are distinguished as tractors. Okay.
Disguise.
Oh my goodness. Disguise. To change your appearance. Ko'rinishni o'zgartirmoq. To change your appearance. Disguise. To change your appearance. O'zgartirmoq. Hop. Disguise ham deb bo'lishi mumkin. Disguise ham as ham deb bo'lishi mumkin. They got in They got in disguised as security guards. Ular o'zgarishdi. Anaqa security guards qo'riqchilar bor, xavfsizlik qo'riqchilariga ko'rinishini o'zgartirishdi. She was clearly disguised as a policewoman. She was cleverly traktorga aylanib degan. Hop. Albeit. Conjunction. Although formal bu museum periodiki albeit. O'qilish qanaqa ekan?
Albeit.
He finally agreed, albeit reluctantly, to help us. Albeit. Although formal deb qo'yamiz. Okay. Albeit to a slightly lesser extent. Lesser extent to less. Tarjima qilamiz. Don't worry. Cereals. Nima? Masalan, dukkakli. Cereal. Yorma. Cereal yormalar. Cereal. Yorma. Buni gap tuzish menimcha inglizga bo'ladi. I usually have breakfast with cereals such as the beroramiz. Cereals nasıl yani? Hani cereal countable sanırlar. Cereal crops. Hozir bizga gap kerak. Cereals. Mana yorma. Cereals. Breakfast free cereals. Okay. İki ara kelgan edik. Cereals. Yormalar dedik. Harvest. Yangi so'z. Harvest. O'zamiz harvest noun bor ekan. Ikki o'tamiz qaraydi. These machines will also be able to identify and harvest. Demak bizga verb kerak ekan. Verb. To cut and gather a crop. To catch a number of animals or fish to eat. Kesmoq va to'plamoq croplarni. To catch a number of animals, ushlamoq, yeyish uchun. To collect bor ekan. Ushlamoq deylik. To'plamoq, gather. To cut and gather. Harvest. Now again. To pick and collect crops. To collect plants. Harvest. To Harvest. To pick and collect crops, or to collect plants, animals, or fish as food. Ovqat sifatida to'plamoq, yig'moq, o'rmoq. The nuts are ready to harvest in September. Nutslar, yong'oqlar tayyor yig'ishga sentyabr oyida. Cho'yabr ekan. Har doim sentyabr oyida yong'oqlar yig'ib olinar ekan. Oh, interesting. Harvest pesticide. Tamam. Pesticide, yes. A chemical used for killing pests or especially insects. Normal vegan. Pesticide. Normal used to kill harmful insects, small animals, wild plants, and other unwanted organisms. What is your point? Pesticide. The chemical substance, kimyoviy modda ekan, used to kill harmful insects. Zararli hasharotlarni o'ldirishda foydalanar ekan. Zahar bo'lishi mumkin. The pesticides that farmers spray on their crops kill pests. Hasharotlar ekan, pesticide kimyoviy modda ekan. Bir so'z bilan kimyoviy urush. Mana bunday bo'libdi. Pesticides used to kill pests. Interesting. Or along with distinguish them ko'rib qo'yamiz. Distinguish. To recognize, tanib bilmoq, the difference between. Farqni tanish. Two people or things. Distinguish, farq. At what age are children able to distinguish? Farqlamoq ekan. Are able to distinguish. Farqlamoq. Farqlay bilmoq. Right? Maybe. Distinguish. To recognize the difference between. Farqlamoq. Are you able to distinguish between these pets? Bu ikkala qush orasidagi farqni aniqlay olasanmi? Aniqlay olasanmi yoki buni yozmay qo'yarek bo'libdi. Testlarda bo'ladi-yu. farqlash rasm yozmoqchi o'qimaydi. Seedlings, seedling. A young plant, a young plant. Nahol. A young plant. Tomato seedlings. Gap yo'q mikan bizga gap? Seedling. Seedling. Seedling survival tropical tree species. Yosh nihollar yashaydi tropical tree species. Hop. I. There are a lot of seedlings in my house. They are growing in the house. Okay. Slash. The dash. Slash. To make a long cut. With a sharp object. Katta kesmoq. O'tkir jihoz bilan. Katta kesmoq, especially in a violent way. Nimali bu qo'pollik bilan katta kesmoq. Someone had slashed the tires on my car. We had to slash our way through the undergrowth with sticks. One of the men slashed him across the face with a knife. He slashed at his opponent with his sword. Opponent voqea buni. Someone had slashed the musiga osonroq. Qilish shafimizda nimani kessa bo'ladi? O'ziga to'g'ri qilamiz. That could slash chemical use. Katta qismini nima qiladi? Yo'q qilar ekan. Kesar ekan, qisqartirar ekan. Slash here desa bo'ladimi? Slash here desa can I say all right? Slash here, it's not correct, it's normal. Why slash to cut violently? Why? Like with a knife. If sounds aggressive, unnatural for hair. Cut barakan, qarab barakan. The man slashed the tire. Slash all is that use it. Slash the custom URL slash tire slash RMKs. The company slashed prices by 50. The company slash to cut we only already the company slash the cost is by 50. Okay. Slash folder take as much. Taking automation to a whole new level. Aytayam narsalarimiz bor. To'liq emas u, might be. Setting bor ekan, eliminate bor ekan, problem with unwanted items. Position. Take a whole level. Dominate. Whole level. Dominate. Apple company is a whole level for phone. Phone industry 14 years has been for phone industry 14 years the programs. Apple Apple has been leading the phone industry. Apple has dominated whole about this. A whole level. Biz buni bilib qo'ysak bo'ldik. Esansel nechirilmas ekan. Dominate to'g'ri kelar ekan. We are taking affirmation to a whole new level. Avtomatlashtirish dominate qilyapti butun yangi darajada. Woman, address bitta adress bor. Verb, deal with, hal qilmoq. Bir nechta o'zbek so'zlar ham bor ekan. Buni tarjima qilish davomida ko'rib ketamiz. Verb ekan. Verb shaklida kelganda deal with, right? Xo'p, bugun gap tuzamiz. Qachon ishlatamiz adressni? Qachon muammoni hal qilamiz? Sen meni muammoni hal qila olasanmi deganimizda. Do you address my problems? Okay. Muammoni hal qila olasanmi? Address. Formula ekan, formulani yozish kerak. Your essay does not address the real issues. O mana. Formulaga uchun bu bo'lmaydi. Essay does not address the real issues. Yengisi grocery bills, grocery kichkina do'kon edi. Ismigina grocery kichkina do'kon. A shop that sells food in American grocery store deb nomlangan. Supermarket. Grocery. Supermarket. Bills bu xarajatlar qani? Grocery bills bu xarajatlar. O'tiramiz. Spare a thought for. Spare a thought for, consider. O'ylab ko'r. Spare a thought for. Consider qilyapgan. O'ylab ko'r. Esla. Fikr yurat. Okay, tarjima qilishga boshladik. The next time you stand at the supermarket, check out. Keyingi safar supermarketda pul to'lagan turganingda spare a thought for. Esla, o'yla, the fermerlar o'yla deyapti ekan. Who helped fill your shopping basket? Ya'ni seni shopping basketingni to'ldirib berayotgan, to'ldirishga yordam berayotgan. Ya'ni sen sotib olayotgan narsalarni yetishtiradigan fermerlar haqida o'yla deyapti. Chunki life is hard for them right now. Hayot ular uchun hozirda qiyin. This intern emas bo'lsa bo'ladi. Intern as a result. Intern as a result. Intern. Collect out their names as a result something often series. Natijada intern this in turn natijada inevitably means inevitably inevitably Yozganda inevitably as is certain aniqki inevitably aniqki the press as is certain to happen inevitably as is certain to happen this in turn bu natijada inevitably means bigger grocery bills bu natijada aniq kattaroq grocery bills ya'ni supermarket xarajatlarini anglatarkan for consumers bu oluvchilar ya'ni iste'molchilar uchun katta xarajatlarni anglatarkan xo'p va greater hardship for the millions in countries greater hardship bu difficult greater hardship hard bu qattiq deb bilamiz greater hardship for the millions ko'plab millionlab insonlar uchun bu qiyin in countries davlatlarda qaysi davlatlarda food shortages ovqat tanqisligi bo'lgan joylarda ekan are a matter of life hayot qiyin ekan hayot muammo ekan va death o'limga olib kelishi mumkin and death o'lim ekan okay worse bundan ham achinarlisi yana bundan ham yomoni studies suggest that the world will need twice as much food by 2050 tadqiqotlar studies shuni ko'rsatadiki taklif qiladiki dunyoga hozirgidan 2 barobar ovqat kerak 2050-yilgacha deyapti 2050-yilga kelib odamlarga hozirgidan 2 barobar ko'proq ovqat kerak bo'ladi deyapti yet lekin while farmers must squeeze more out of the land lekin hozirda fermerlar yerga ko'proq bosim qilish kerak squeeze bu siqish kerak ya'ni qanaqa ma'noda kelyapti ko'proq hosil olish kerak ko'proq hosil olishga harakat qilish kerak deyapti albatta yer qiynaladi har bir productivity tushib ketadi nega shuni qilish kerak deyapti ekan they must also address the necessity of reducing their impact on the soil keyin ular soilga kelinglar soilni ham ko'ramiz soil the top layer of the earth in which plants trees grow soil country soil unumdor yerlar ekan soil bu unumdor yerlar ekan they must also address the necessity of reducing their impact on the soil demak ular hal qilish kerak ekan unumdor yerlarda kamayib ketish ta'sirini okay waterways and atmosphere suv yo'llari va atmosferani ham kamayib kelishini, atmosferaga yomonlashishini ma'nosiga kelyapti shekilli. All this means rethinking how agriculture is practiced. All this means hammasi anglatadiki, qayta o'ylash, rethinking. Qaytadan fikr qilishni anglatadi. How agriculture is practiced. Qanchalik agriculture practice bo'lgan. Ya'ni practice ustida ishlangan, o'ylab ko'rilgan deyapti. And taking automation to a whole new level. Taking automation to a whole new level. Qanchalik agriculture ga e'tibor berilgan va avtomatlashtirish dominate qilgan. Hukmronlik qilgan, avtomatlashtirish yo'lga qo'yilgan deyapti. On the new model farmers of the future, precision will be key. Precision. Precision. Nima bu? Precision, aniqlik. Precision, accuracy, aniqlik. Hozir aniqlik nimaligini ko'ramiz. On new model farmers, yangi model fermalarida kelajakdagi precision will be key. Aniqlik kalit bo'lar ekan. Why dose a whole field with chemicals if you can spray only where they are needed? Agar dozalar whole field with chemicals butun bir maydonni egallasa, whole field with chemicals, if you can spray only where they are needed, agar siz kerakli joyga sepsangiz, nimaga dozalar butun maydonni egallash kerak kimyo moddalar bilan deyapti. Each plant could eat exactly the right amount of everything. Har bir plant bir xil miqdorda o'sadi. Bir xil miqdorda ozuqa yeydi. No more or no less. Ko'p emas, kam emas. An approach shu bilan birga, shunga ketsak, shunga qarasak, approach that could slash chemical use and improve yields in one move. Slash kamaytirmoqda yoki cut violently edi. Chemical use'ni kamaytirib olamiz. Kimyo moddalardan foydalanish kamaytirib olardik. Shu yo'ldan yursak deyapti va maydonni ham yaxshilash mumkin bir harakatda deyapti. But this is easier said than done. Bu qilishdan ko'ra osonroq aytish deyapti. Aytishga oson deyapti. The largest farmers in Europe and the USA can cover thousands of acres. Acres bu 0.4 gektar. Masalan, the largest farmers, katta fermalar Yevropa va Amerikadagi can cover thousands of acres. 0.4 mingta 400 gektar dan tashkil topgan. Fermalar shunday katta ekanki, 400 gektar ancha katta joyda ularda nimalar bilan kerakli joyga sepishni ilojisi yo'q. Chunki samolyotda sepadi. That's why automation is key to precision farming. Shuning uchun that's why avtomatlashtirish kalit aniq fermalar uchun. Aniqlikka asosan fermalar uchun. Specifically aniqki, say agricultural engineers aniqlik bilan agricultural injenerlarga aytilsa, precision farming needs robot farmers. Aniqlikka asosan fermalarga robot farmerlar needs. robot fermerlar kerak. One day, bir kuni, we might see fields with agricultural robots that can identify individual seedlings and encourage them along with drops fertilizer. Drop fertilizer moslama. Bir kuni biz agrobotlarda maydonlarda ko'rishimiz mumkin deyapti. Bir kuni ko'rishimiz mumkin deyapti. Qaysiki that identify individual seedlings. Har bir nihollariga individual aniqlaydi va encourage them. Ularni tanib biladi. Along with drops fertilizer. Drops fertilizer. Highly concentrated liquid nutrient drops for indoor plants. Drops. Drop. O'g'it ekan. Drop fertilizer o'g'it ekan. Along with drop fertilizer. Har bir yangi niholga individual yondashadigan agrobotlarda ko'rishimiz mumkin deyapti. Other machines would distinguish problem widths from crops and eliminate them with shots from high power lasers or a microdot of pesticide. Pesticide kimyoviy modda deydigan. Boshqa mashinalar would distinguish farqlaydi problem widths. Reduce emissions. Bunaqa keraksiz o'tlarda. Boshqa mashinalar keraksiz o'tlarda farqlaydi from crops. Donli mahsulotlardan. And eliminate them olib tashlar ekan, yo'q qilar ekan with shots. Shot urish bilan olib tashlar ekan from high power laser. Lazer yordamida tashlar ekan. Or a microdotlar of pesticide. Kimyoviy moddalar bilan zahar berib olib yo'q qilish mumkin ekan, yo'q qilar ekan. Boshqa mashinalar. These machines will also be able to identify and harvest all kinds of vegetables. Bu mashinalar aniqlay oladi va collect qiladi, harvest yig'a oladi all kinds of vegetables. Hamma turli tuman sabzavotlarni yig'a olar ekan, aniqlay olar ekan ham kelajakda. More than a country of mechanization has already turned farming into an industrial scale. Ko'plab davlatlarda fermer xo'jaligi industrial scale'larga aylantirildi. With farms that grow cereals, fermalar bilan qaysiki yormalar o'stiradigan being the most heavily automated. Buni yormalar o'stirilishi ham heavily automated, avtomatlashtirilibdi. But a variety of other crops lekin boshqa donli mahsulotlar turlari, including oranges and tomatoes, destined to become processed food. Processed food qayta ishlangan ovqatga aylantirilibdi. Destined. Qaror qilindi. Planned. Rejalashtirilibdi. At an early time. Planned. Rejalashtirilibdi. Orangelar, apelsinlar va pomidorlar rejalashtirilibdiki, qayta ishlanadigan ovqatlar bo'lishga rejalashtirilibdi. Ya'ni qayta ishlash mumkinmi, mumkin emasmi, shuni rejalashtirishibdi. Are also picked mechanically. Ularni ham robotlar uzar ekan. Aslida albeit.
Albeit.
Shu. Garchi to a slightly lesser extent. Bu kam bo'lsa-da, bu nimaga deyapti? Mexanik qurilmalar kam bo'lsa-da, uziladi deyapti. Yet, lekin the next wave of autonomous farm machinery keyingi wavedagi the raised line of water that moves across the surface. Well, huge waves talking. Waves, the next wave of the large number of self-driving farm machines appearing or being used. Big grades are something nice. Keyingi moslashtirilgan fermer mashinalarining ko'payishi, oshishi is already at work. Jarayonda deyapti. Work ishda deyapti. Shu ustida ishlanyapti deyapti. You probably haven't even noticed. Siz ehtimol hatto xabaringiz ham yo'qdir. For these robots are disguised as tractors. Bu robotlar traktorlarga o'xshashi mumkin deyapti. As tractors. O'xshatilgan o'zlarini nimasiga o'xshab robotlarga ham o'xshatishibdi. Many are self-steering. Hammasi o'zini boshqara oladigan. Use GPS to cross a field. Maydonni kesib o'tish uchun GPS dan foydalanadi. And can even talk to their implements. Hatto o'zlarining toolslari bilan gaplasha oladi deyapti. A plough or sprayers, for example. Plough toolslarda and the implements can talk back. And the implements can talk back. O'zini so'ragan o'zining jihozlari ham qaytib javob qaytara olar ekan. Telling the tractor that it's going too fast or needs to move to the left. Traktorlarga tez ketyapsan yoki sen qayrilishing kerak deb aytar ekan. This kind of communication, shunga o'xshagan aloqa is also being developed in other farm vehicles. Boshqa transportlarda rivojlantirilyapti. A new system allows a combined harvester. Yangi sistema combine harvesterlarda combine yig'uvchilarda ichidagi yordam allows o'xshatib beradiki nima deyishga. To send a call over to a tractor trailer. Tractor trailerga call aloqa jo'natish. The driver can unload the grain as and when necessary. Driver unload reduce unload birinchi bo'ladi. Remove things from vehicles. Haydovchi the grain donlarni tushira oladi as and when necessary. Kerak bo'lgani sari, kerak bo'lganda. Demak, qo'ng'iroq qilar ekan, xabar jo'natar ekan yoki sen bo'shatib kel yoki bo'shatmasdan kel degan bir mazmunda shunday aloqa tizimlari ham mavjud ekan. Bu ikkita paragraf ning vocabulary'si. So break it down qildik, bu lug'atlarni joyladik. So sog' bo'lasizlar.